Hello everyone! Microsoft has developed a product similar to the CCleaner application, which is available for free download and use. The product is called PC Manager and offers a range of features to enhance your PC's performance. With its cleanup tools, you can efficiently reclaim storage space, giving your system a boost. It optimizes your PC's speed and efficiency, ensuring smooth operation. Additionally, Microsoft PC Manager helps you manage your storage effectively. It allows you to perform a thorough cleanup, manage large files, and utilize Storage Sense to automatically free up storage space in Windows. When it comes to health checkups, Microsoft PC Manager excels at identifying and resolving issues quickly. With just a click, you can scan and remove threats, ensuring your system stays secure. Moreover, the PC Boost feature is a standout offering. It includes a Smart Boost feature that activates during periods of high RAM usage or when there are over 1 GB of temporary files, ensuring optimal performance at all times. I'll show you how to install and use this free software. So let's get started. Find the Microsoft Web Store and open it. In the search field, type PC Manager and hit Enter. We can also take a look at the screenshots of this program along the way. Now click on the Get button. The software doesn't take up too much memory and downloads quickly. After downloading, click on the Open button. Here you can select or deselect the option for automatic startup of this software when you turn on the computer. Click on Start. And here is the first option for PC Boost. We can see the percentage of memory usage as well as the size occupied by temporary files. By clicking on Boost, a portion of the memory will be freed, and temporary files will be deleted. These temporary files can be safely deleted without worrying about your programs or anything else. Now let's check PC health. Click on this section here. As you can see, items suggested for cleaning are displayed here. Also, applications that start with system startup are shown. I will disable some applications and thereby speed up the computer's startup time. I'll unselect browser cache and start cleaning. The action has been successfully completed. Only my antivirus isn't disabled, but that's fine. If we now click on the Process section, we can see which applications are currently running. You can end them by clicking on End. Now click on the Deep Cleanup section. Here, files that you most likely don't need are thoroughly scanned. Of course, be careful about what you want to remove. I'll select all application caches. You choose the items you want. Click on Proceed. Let's go back now. By clicking on Startup again, we can see which applications are launched when the system starts. Here you can disable them if you want. By clicking on this icon, we can explore the available toolbox. You can include this widget in your desktop toolbar if you want. Explore more additional features by clicking on the Protection button. And that's about it. Take a look at more options that this software offers. Subscribe to the channel for more tutorials.